Hello, curious explorers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the immersive realms of virtual reality and augmented reality. Before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our captivating content. Join us for part 1 of Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality, Facts Beyond the Hype. Fact 1. Virtual reality's illusion. Virtual reality, or VR, creates the illusion of being in a different place. By immersing users in a digital environment, VR transports us to new dimensions, making it a powerful tool for training, education, and entertainment. Fact 2. Augmented reality enhancements. Augmented reality, or AR, enhances our reality by overlaying digital information onto the real world. AR blurs the line between the physical and digital, offering applications from navigation to gaming. Fact 3. Early VR and AR experiments. VR and AR technologies have a longer history than you might think. Early experiments date back to the 1960s, showing that the quest for immersive experiences has been ongoing for decades. Fact 4. VR sickness and comfort. While VR offers stunning experiences, some users may experience motion sickness due to the sensory conflict between visual and vestibular cues. Design considerations are crucial to minimizing discomfort. Fact 5. Pokémon Go and AR popularity. Remember the Pokémon Go craze? This mobile game brought augmented reality to the mainstream, encouraging players to explore their surroundings and catch digital creatures in the real world. Fact 6. VR and mental health. VR is making strides in the field of mental health by offering therapeutic applications. Exposure therapy, mindfulness exercises, and relaxation simulations are just a few examples of VR's potential. Fact 7. AR navigation and wayfinding. AR is revolutionizing navigation. AR apps and devices provide real-time directions, making it easier to navigate unfamiliar places with digital guidance overlaid on the physical environment. Fact 8. VR's impact on education. VR is reshaping education by creating immersive learning experiences. From virtual field trips to interactive simulations, VR transports students beyond the classroom walls. Fact 9. AR commerce and shopping. AR is transforming the way we shop. AR apps allow us to try on clothes virtually, visualize furniture in our homes before purchase, and even see how makeup products look on our faces. Fact 10. The future of VR and AR collaboration. As we conclude part 1, it's important to note that the future of VR and AR extends far beyond entertainment. Collaborative work environments, remote learning, and social interactions are some of the exciting possibilities these technologies offer. Thank you for joining us as we unravel the facts behind the buzz of virtual reality and augmented reality. If you're intrigued by the insights we've shared, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for part 2. Stay curious, stay informed, and get ready to explore even more in our upcoming installment.